Here we are in our email campaigns, and we're going to go over how to send email campaigns. Sending email campaign is an important way to engage your audience, and this section is going to help you understand the different ways to do so. So we're going to walk through each step together and discuss how you can set up and customize your audience information, as well as select the most appropriate sending options. So to begin, we're going to click on the Send or Schedule button here. And as you can see, we have 4 different options for sending our email campaigns. The first option we're going to go over is the Send Now option. This is going to send the email campaign immediately. So here you can fill in your sender information, so the from email and the from name. Next, you will fill in your email subject, so your subject line and preview text, and then select your recipient. So here you can choose contacts. You can choose all contacts, or you can choose contacts from your dropdown. You can select to send to a smart list and select a smart list from the dropdown. You also have the option here to choose contacts from tags. So you can just select the contact tags that you would like to use from here. And then once you have all of that filled in, you have the option to cancel, save, or send. Once you hit that send button on the Send Now option, that is going to immediately send your email campaign. The next option we have is schedule. So here you're going to pick a date and time to schedule your email campaign. So here you can click on the date dropdown. You can select the date that you would like to send your email campaign, and then select the time that you would like to send your email campaign from this dropdown here. And then once again, you have all of your sender, email, subject, and recipient information on the right. Next is the batch schedule. So this is to schedule large groups of contacts in drip mode. This is really great if you're sending your email campaign to a large group of people. So here you can select your date and time that you would like to start your email campaign. And then you can select your batch quantity and repeat after. So here you can toggle on up or down these options. You can also put a number in this box, and then you can repeat after and select days, hours, minutes, or seconds from this dropdown. So I'm going to go ahead and do 15 minutes. And then you can select your day to start sending on. So you could select a day of the week and then specify a start and end time for your batch schedule as well. And then again, you can select your sender from, email subject, and recipient to. And then our last option here is the RSS schedule. This is ideal for blog posts or regular content feeds. This is automatically going to name your email campaign as RSS email campaign. You can rename this however you see fit. And then here you can enter your RSS feed URL. Next, you can select when you would like to send. So if you click on this drop down, you have the option of every day, every week, or every month. And then you can select your time from the drop down here. You also have the option here to send on specific days, so you can toggle these on or off and select the day of the week. And then once again, you have the sender information, the email subject, and the recipient too.